In a mirrorless market crowded with rapid innovation, constant spec races, and frequent compromises, Fujifilm continues to stand apart by following a philosophy that prioritizes photographic experience as much as technical advancement. Rather than chasing trends blindly, the company has consistently refined its X series with a clear identity rooted in tactile control, distinctive color science, and cameras that encourage intentional image making. The Fujifilm X-T6 represents the next step in that philosophy. It is not merely a routine update to an already successful line, but a carefully considered evolution that seeks to modernize performance while preserving the character that longtime Fujifilm users value so deeply. The X-T series has always been positioned as the heart of Fujifilm's APS-C lineup. Cameras like the X-T3, X-T4, and X-T5 earned respect by offering professional-level performance in bodies that felt purpose-built for photographers rather than repurposed video machines. With the Fujifilm X-T6, expectations rise even higher. This camera is anticipated to serve a broad audience, from working professionals who rely on consistency and reliability to advanced enthusiasts who demand creative flexibility without sacrificing usability. It is designed to be a true hybrid tool, capable of excelling in still photography while also meeting the modern demands of high-quality video production. At first glance, the design language of the Fujifilm X-T6 remains unmistakably familiar. Fujifilm has wisely chosen not to abandon the iconic retro-inspired aesthetic that defines the X-T line. The silhouette, top-plate dials, and overall proportions feel immediately recognizable. However, closer inspection reveals subtle refinements throughout the body. The edges appear more sculpted, the grip slightly deeper and more ergonomic, and the overall balance improved for extended shooting sessions. Whether paired with compact prime lenses or heavier professional zooms, the camera is expected to feel secure and comfortable in hand, even during long days in the field. The tactile control scheme remains one of the defining characteristics of the X-T6. Dedicated dials for ISO, shutter speed, and exposure compensation continue to offer direct, intuitive control over key shooting parameters. These mechanical dials are not just nostalgic design elements, they are functional tools that allow photographers to work more deliberately and efficiently. On the X-T6, these controls are rumored to feature refined resistance and more precise feedback, reinforcing the sense that this is a professional instrument rather than a consumer gadget. Additional command dials and customizable buttons further enhance usability, allowing users to tailor the camera to their individual workflows. Build quality has always been a strong point for Fujifilm, and the X-T6 is expected to raise the bar even further. A magnesium alloy chassis provides durability without excessive weight, while improved weather sealing ensures reliable performance in challenging environments. Whether shooting in rain, dust, or cold conditions, the X-T6 is designed to inspire confidence. This attention to durability makes the camera particularly appealing to travel photographers, landscape shooters, and documentary creators who often work in unpredictable conditions and need equipment they can trust. At the core of the Fujifilm X-T6 lies its imaging pipeline, which is expected to deliver the most significant leap forward in image quality yet seen in the X-T series. The camera is rumored to feature a high-resolution X-Trans CMOS sensor, potentially a new generation that builds upon the strengths of its predecessor. With increased resolution, improved light gathering efficiency, and enhanced dynamic range, this sensor aims to deliver exceptional detail without compromising Fujifilm's signature look. The unique X-Trans color filter array continues to reduce moire and false color while preserving natural textures, a key advantage over conventional Bayer sensors. Paired with an updated image processor, the sensor in the X-T6 is expected to deliver faster performance across the board. From quicker startup times to improved buffer depth and more responsive menu navigation, the overall shooting experience should feel smoother and more refined. High-resolution files are anticipated to retain impressive flexibility in post-processing, with strong shadow recovery and pleasing highlight roll-off. Even at higher ISO settings, noise control is expected to be well managed, ensuring that image quality remains consistent across a wide range of lighting conditions. Color science has always been one of Fujifilm's greatest strengths, and the X-T6 continues this tradition with further refinement. Fujifilm's film simulations are more than simple color profiles, they are carefully crafted looks inspired by decades of analog film heritage. On the X-T6, these simulations are expected to benefit from improved processing algorithms that deliver greater tonal subtlety and consistency. Skin tone should appear natural and flattering, while blues and greens retain depth without becoming overly saturated. This makes the camera particularly appealing to photographers who value strong out-of-camera results. The flexibility of Fujifilm's film simulations also plays a significant role in workflow efficiency. Many photographers and content creators rely heavily on JPEG output, and the X-T6 is expected to offer some of the best in-camera JPEG processing available. Fine-grain customization options allow users to adjust contrast, color, grain, and sharpness, effectively baking a personal style directly into the image. For those who prefer shooting raw, the underlying files provide ample latitude for detailed color grading and tonal adjustments, making the camera equally suitable for both approaches. Autofocus performance has historically been an area where Fujifilm has faced criticism, particularly when compared to industry leaders like Sony and Canon. With the Fujifilm X-T6, this narrative is expected to change significantly. Faster processing and improved algorithms are anticipated to deliver more reliable subject detection and tracking. Advanced autofocus capabilities may include improved face and eye detection, as well as subject recognition for animals, birds, and vehicles. This makes the camera more versatile for genres such as wildlife, sports, and event photography. Continuous autofocus performance is expected to see notable improvements as well. The X-T6 is rumored to handle erratic movement more effectively, maintaining focus on fast-moving subjects with greater consistency. Higher burst rates, combined with a responsive autofocus system, allow photographers to capture decisive moments with confidence. Improved low-light autofocus performance further expands the camera's usability, enabling accurate focusing even in dim or challenging lighting conditions. Video performance is another area where the Fujifilm X-T6 is expected to make meaningful strides. While previous X-T models offered respectable video capabilities, the X-T6 is anticipated to fully embrace its role as a hybrid camera. Advanced video features such as high-resolution recording, potentially reaching 6K or even 8K, place the camera firmly in competition with other modern hybrid systems. Full sensor readout and improved codecs are expected to deliver sharp, detailed footage with minimal rolling shutter artifacts. In-body image stabilization is another key component of the X-T6's appeal for video creators. Improved stabilization performance allows for smoother handheld footage, reducing the need for external rigs in many shooting scenarios. Combined with refined autofocus tracking in video mode, the camera becomes a practical tool for solo filmmakers, vloggers, and documentary shooters who value mobility and efficiency. Fujifilm's film simulations also extend to video, allowing creators to achieve a cinematic look straight out of the camera without extensive color grading. For professionals, the X-T6 promises reliability, image quality, and workflow efficiency in a compact, well-designed body. For advanced enthusiasts, it offers room to grow, explore, and refine their craft. And for hybrid creators navigating the demands of both stills and video, it aims to deliver a versatile solution that does not force compromises. In a market driven by constant change, the Fujifilm X-T6 stands as a reminder that progress does not have to come at the expense of identity.